Good day, ma'am, sir. Thank you for calling MPCHS Hotel. This is Sherelle. How may I assist you today?
This is Romel Buhawi. I would like to book one single room for one guest.
Absolutely, I can help you with that. May I ask for your preferred dates of stay, Mr. Buhawe?
Check-in will be on July 20 and check-out will be on July 22.
Can you please wait for a moment? Okay, we have our standard single room available for those dates. It's good for one guest with one single bed. And includes free Wi-Fi, private bathroom, and 43 inches TV. Would you like me to check the rate for you?
Yes, please.
200 pesos per night, room only. With breakfast, it's 2,500 pesos per night. Would you prefer with or without breakfast?
Yes, breakfast, please.
So that's one standard single room for one guest, July 20 to July 22, with breakfast at 2,500 pesos per night. Total for 2 nights is 5,000 pesos. May I have the name on the reservation and a contact number?
Under Romel Buhawi, my number is 091234568789 and my Gmail is guest123@gmail.com.
Thank you, Mr. Buhawe. To confirm, one standard single room, one guest, July 20 to July 22, with breakfast. Total of 5,000 pesos. We require a 50% deposit to guarantee the booking. You'd like me to send the payment details to your number?
Yes, please send it.
Noted, I'll send it right away. Once payment is required, I'll email your confirmation voucher. We look forward to welcoming you on MPCHS Hotel. Is there anything else I can assist you with?
Thank you.
Thank you for choosing MPCHS Hotel, Mr. Buhawe. Have a great day.